My name is Patience Musandiririe. Today I'm going to be taking you through the steps of how we make the staple food of Zimbabwe, which is Sadza. Not Sadza. I know because of accent and pronunciation you guys will say Sadza, but the correct word is Sadza. At this first session here, Sadza is made up of mealie meal. This is maize meal. I'm going to show you what meal this is maize meal. This is made up of pound maize cobs. We crush the maize cobs and they pound it and then it becomes maize meal. This is what we use to make some sadza. So we put some water into a pot so that we can bring it to a boil a bit and then we can start making our sadza, okay? So as you can see now, our water is about to boil, but before it reaches boiling point, that's when you now take your mealie meal and you put a bit into it. You stir up all this mealie meal so that it becomes, put enough, just enough, so that it can start boiling as well. It has to boil with the mealie meal. When that is happening, you now close your pot so that the boiling happens. Now, I'm sure most of you have seen some volcanic activity happening when the molten lava is boiling. This is what's happening in this pot here. It looks like molten lava boiling, like a volcano is boiling. This is what should happen. This should happen maybe between 5 to 10 minutes. Let it boil like this with the mealie meal in it. When that is happened now you now take your mealie meal now and now make the final step of making sadza. Putting in the mealie meal, and putting in the mealie meal. Now you stir, stirring up, stirring up, stirring up, stirring up, stirring up, stir, 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 stir. Like some people want their sadza to be hard, but I prefer mine to be a bit softer. So you put enough mealie meal so that it goes to type of softness you want. If you want it to be hard, if you want it to be soft, that's that. Stay up, the sadza. Here it is. That's the sadza there. Now you leave it to simmer for a few minutes before we start eating it. Now there's the sadza there. You see? The interesting part now, it has simmered up. Put a bit in the plate. Go. And serve it with some beef here, some beef here, some beef here, and some veggies here. But before that, I can taste my sadza. Nice. Veggies there. There we go. That's how it looks like. This is the Zimbabwean sadza, the staple food of Zimbabwe. Thank you so much.